Is your adaptive cruise control system not working or showing a warning light on your dashboard? Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you how to fix and reset the adaptive cruise control system step by step, even without a scanner. Adaptive Cruise Control, or ACC, helps your car keep a safe distance from the vehicle in front by adjusting your speed automatically. But if there's an error, a dirty sensor, or low voltage, the system can stop working and display a warning or ACC unavailable message. Step 1. Check the front radar sensor. Locate the radar sensor. It's usually behind the front grille or lower bumper. If it's blocked by dirt, ice, leaves, or even a bumper sticker, gently clean it with a microfiber cloth. Even a small obstruction can disable the system. Step 2. Restart the car. Turn off the car completely, remove the key or turn off the ignition, and lock the car. Wait 2 to 3 minutes, then restart the engine. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches in the cruise control or radar module. Step 3. Check your battery and fuses. Low battery voltage is a common cause of ACC failure. Use a multimeter to make sure your battery reads at least 12.4 volts. Also check the fuse box for any blown fuses related to adaptive cruise control, radar, or the camera system. Step 4. Clean the windshield camera if equipped. If your car uses a front-facing camera behind the rearview mirror, make sure the inside of your windshield is clean. Wipe around the camera area with a soft cloth. Dust or glare from the glass can affect the ACC and lane systems. Step 5. Let the engine warm up. In cold weather, condensation or fog can block the radar or camera sensors. Let the engine run for a few minutes to warm things up, then recheck the system. Sometimes, just warming the car can bring the ACC back online. Step 6. Drive above 30 miles per hour. After cleaning and resetting everything, take your car on a short drive, ideally over 30 miles per hour on a straight road. Many ACC systems recalibrate automatically while driving, once they detect normal road conditions. Step 7. Use an OBD2 scanner. If none of these steps work, and you have access to a scanner, plug it in and check for stored fault codes. Focus on codes related to ACC, radar, brake system, or sensors. Once the issue is fixed, clear the codes and restart the vehicle. Step 8. Manual reset or recalibration. On some cars, you can manually reset the system. Go to your car's settings menu, find driver assistance or cruise control, and select reset or calibrate. Follow the instructions on the screen if available. Step 9. Disconnect the battery. As a last resort, disconnect the negative battery terminal for about 5 to 10 minutes. This performs a hard reset of the car's electronic systems. Note: you may lose clock, radio presets, and other saved settings. Still having problems? Drop your car model and year in the comments, and I'll try to help you directly. And that's how you fix and reset your adaptive cruise control system, even if you don't have a scanner. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple car repair tutorials.